So I'm going to be fidget trading with my best friend. These are my fidgets, and these are my friend's fidgets. I will trade my squishy palette. What will I get traded? I'm just going to set you guys up real quick. Don't trade right now, okay? Sorry, I'm talking to my friend. Okay, there we go. I will trade this egg. How you do it is you push and you squeeze it back together. And it's fun once you do it, so it warms it up. And I will trade this. I like this. I will accept. Yay! Okay, now I will trade my giant puppet. Okay. Okay, I will be trading this beanbag sack. Maraca. Also trade you this paper maraca. I accept. Yay, I get this giant fidget now. Yay, I get these. Okay, I will be trading. How about this squishy maraca? I will trade this egg. I accept. Yay. Yay, I get my egg back. I wanted it back. Okay, I will trade this super legendary. Squeeze. Snap it. I will trade, this, and this. Well, these three things for this. Actually, it's four. Okay, I accept. Hello. Okay, guys, yay. Okay, I'm gonna trade something. I'll trade my beanbag. Ooh, I like that. I will give you this, and this. Wait, and this. Sorry. I accept. Yay, I get this now. Yay. Okay, I will trade these earth fidget rings, the super rare snap it, and squishy maraca. Oh, and this. So, a lot. I'll just trade you all my stuff. Oh wow, that's a lot, you know that, right? Yeah, but I accept. Okay, here you go. You guys, look at all this. Oh, way more. Okay, do you want to trade or me want to trade? I want to trade, duh. I'll trade this ultra legendary, fidget ring. Okay, I'll just trade you that, but I will take it back. I will trade you these, this, this, and this. Oh, okay, I accept. Yay, guys, I get this ultra legendary back. Yay, I get all this stuff. Okay, guys, comment down below you think won this challenge. I'll show you all my stuff and her stuff. So let's start with hers. So this is what she got. She got this, which I'll count as one. I'll count all these three together. 1, So 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, she got 6. Let's see how many I get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 1 extra. So if you comment down below who had the best trades today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you in part 7.